Welcome to our channel Quiz Guess. Today we guess Digital Circus character. So let's start the video. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Pomni. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Ragatha. Guess the odd one, Gangle. Yeah, it's right guess. Guess the odd Pomni. Yeah, it's right guess. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Jax. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Caine. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Zooble. What is the launching year of Digital Circus? Yeah, it's 1995. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Kaufman. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Gangle. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Bubble. Guess the character name. Yeah, it's Zooble. Guess the character name. Yeah, it's Kaufman. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Kelky. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Caine. Guess the odd one, Kelky. Yeah, it's right guess. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Kaufman. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Moon. Guess the character name. Yeah, it's Gangle. Guess this Digital Circus character. Yeah, it's Sun. Subscribe this channel Quiz Guess.